Yes, like most PNG YouTubers. You miss someone must upload the music for not upload one channel dreaming. Yes, that's true. That's the fact. But the problem with it's like an old channel emotion. We are not monetized for uploading those music because YouTube got policies and guidelines plan. So on my channel, HitMusicPNG, you will realize that time you clicking on the video by watching all ads before you hearing all music, yeah, because that channel is monetized. Now, how you getting your channel to monetize with contents like that, getting other people's music, posting it and make money? I will show you an example on this video, like on my channel. You see, channel to make music PNG. It's a music channel. I started it. That's a music channel, and we flow one time go by. But later me realize yourself. After me reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, me realized that YouTube been allowing me to get into the partnership program because of many reasons. One, I'm not music from me. Two, me reusing plenty contents were been posted on YouTube. So after so much research, hard work, experiments, me come through me monetizing channel to me. Nah, I will go through my YouTube analytics here and show you the revenue that I've been earning on my channel. So here is the here is my yes, here is my YouTube analytics for Hit Music PNG on my phone. You can see like I'm with 3,342 subscribers, and I have been posting music from various artists in PNG. This is this is the monetary revenue tab. This is my revenue tab for Hit Music PNG. This is in PNG currency, PGK. It's $58. 58 kina 18 toya. 58 kina 18 toya for the last 28 days, which is a good sign. So you see, this all content we will upload him. In all music in all blow me. Come on, posting number on the YouTube, Facebook pages, no mixing, jaman putting on the link kawa picture blame na me uploading on the YouTube. I was able to, since my channel is monetized, me making some points, and this is the money that I earn, 58 kina 18 toya, and yeah, that's it. Music PNG's uh, analytics, revenue analytics. And if we go over to revenue, we will see it's on February, I haven't been posting anything since I was monetized. And I've been posting shorts only, but shorts, honestly, it's a waste of time on YouTube posting shorts, especially for a monetized, especially for a monetized channel. Posting shorts on YouTube is a waste of time because for 1,000 views, you will just get a just lousy dime, a penny. So on March and April, I've been posting shorts, and I was, you see, anyone that I'm big coins up till May, and on June we decided to posting music again, and this is what I've been earning, about $58.43, and you see, for July I have $0, zero kina here because I got demonetized again. So if you are looking this video of me for July, how me now why me making how and why I did to get demonetized, please watch this video over here. Yeah. And how me making a flow lamb as a PNG YouTuber, a monetized PNG YouTuber on YouTube, and this is all content when you work or uploading them, not making it 16 kina. this is the contents that I've been uploading. I've been making the money on YouTube. Yes, you see, I posted this song about Lima's Posimu, and I got 6.9K views. That's 6,900 views, and 120 watts hours, and 115 subscribers. Estimated revenue is 12 kina 57 cents. It's on YouTube. Every revenue is paid in dollars, but I've changed my currency to PNG kina to make it understandable reality to PNG viewers. This is my this is the analytics step for the revenue analytics step for HitMusicPNG. So thank you for watching. I'm still working on a lot of videos, very inspiring videos for most of us. Yeah, intellectual contents. You don't forget to subscribe, give a like to this video, and flow along with me. I will teach you many insights about YouTube after 4 years on YouTube, experimenting and failing and mistakes after mistakes. I finally find my way through, and I've been monetizing my channels, and hope to yes, I've monetized my channels, and I'm hoping to help others. So don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me.